How to study. Here is a simple guide to help you study and finish your assignments. Number 1, plan your time. Create a schedule. Use a calendar or planner to outline when you will study or work on assignment. Break it down by days or weeks. Set aside specific times. Choose specific days and times each week dedicated to studying or doing homework. Number 2, set goals. Break it down. Instead of saying, I need to finish this report, break it into smaller tasks like research topic, write introduction, and edit. Be realistic. Set achievable goals for each study session. Number 3, organize your study space. Find a quiet spot. Choose a comfortable place free from distractions like noise or TV. Gather supplies. Have all the materials you need, books, notes, pens, ready before you start. Number 4, use active study techniques. Take notes while you study. Write down important points. This helps you remember better. Practice with questions. Try answering questions or doing practice problems related to the material. Number 5, limit distractions. Turn off notifications. Silence your phone or use apps that block social media while you study. Focus on one task. Try not to multitask. Concentrate on one assignment at a time. 6, take breaks. Use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. Go for a walk or stretch. Get up and move around to refresh your mind. Number 7, stay motivated. Reward yourself. After finishing a task or studying for a set period, treat yourself with something you enjoy, like a snack or a quick game. Visualize success. Picture how great it will feel to complete your assignment on time. 8, ask for help. Talk to teachers and classmates. If you are stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help or clarification. Join study groups. Working with others can make studying more fun and effective. Number 9, review and revise. Go over your work after finishing an assignment. Take a moment to read through it and make sure it's what you want to submit. Seek feedback. If possible, get input from peers or teachers on how to improve your work. Number 10, stay positive. Believe in yourself. Remember that everyone struggles sometimes, but with consistent effort, you can succeed. It is a known fact that even professionals hardly have time to read, and that is the reason why there are compulsory continuous professional development CPD for them. By following these steps, you will be able to study effectively and complete your assignments with less stress. Good luck. Like, like, and then subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.